Oh dear. I just realized I think we're back. I've just been chatting to the abyss for like probably 20 minutes now. I've realized because I've binded for OBS one of my clickers like on my mouse to pause, and I think it's done it for the stream as well. I remember accidentally hitting it. That's okay. It is what it is. So we're at that purple line now. We were talking about before. Risk is adjusted, so I break even for both of these positions here. I'll try to put this a little bit lower just to negate for the first loss getting out of that position. But yeah, it should be a break even for both of these here. We scaled in on this account, so we got in actually at a pretty decent entry here. We could really just take the profit here and just come to try hit 900 tomorrow, which I think actually makes a lot of sense. We're at new day opening gap here, so we really need to push past this. If we find support here, okay, there we go. We are pushing past. Okay, so this has the best TP. We'll go break even here, just so all accounts are pretty much covered. And then this account we're just going to leave for a long-term play. So happy to take 200. Every other account's at break even here, so I'm not too worried if we have a crazy rebound to the upside. Not too bothered, but let's just continue law of inertia. Price will continue to go where it's going until it meets a force in the opposite direction. So keep running. Shift to a 30-second now, just so we can see. I want the timing of the candles here to be at the open, so that obviously has the most volume, and this just gives us a reference point for volume throughout the session that we're seeing here. So still, oh, we did take the low. We've taken that low, just got to be a bit careful here. As I was saying, for this account, maybe we just take the profit here, thinking just to have a grand for the last day. But look, if we run it, we're gonna run it. Hold up. Sorry, I'm muted. Capital Mike, what's up? So I just had to go sort some stuff out with the fam. Are you looking for any collabs? In what sense? In what sense do you mean? If we can push this. So 9 a.m. open here. So you got to be very careful because volatility can come pretty crazy. I'm just going to adjust as much as I can. That hasn't been touched. Okay, we got stopped out here. And we're in drawdown. Yeah, okay. See what 9 a.m. wants to do. Typically a lot of volume comes in crazily. Let's see if we can respect this. Crazy push. We got in here to watch. Unfortunately stopped out on most of these. That's right. Like 90 for our troubles. Massive volume and big rejection once again, so might be worthwhile jumping in again. See, moves to the downside here. Let's just wait and see if we invert this. Haven't really picked a direction here. This minute, we can see a rejection here on this candle. Should be okay. Just gonna wait for the closure. Might get stopped out here. Nice. And we're still in. Too much to shuffle through, man. Go 5 first of all. See where we close here. Struggling to get above VWAP on a 30. Taking out all of this liquidity as well. Taking out these highs. So we're in here at $100 risk. It's our previous position, so it'll be pretty much a break even. And just seeing if we can see some displacement to the downside, then we'll scale in pretty aggressively here. Okay, that's rough. We take the stop out here. I think we just got stopped out on this account. Yep. I think we pushed up to that M3, that little gap on an M3. Just gonna sit on our hands here. Not bad all in all. Pretty much break even. There's not much movement, which is a bit frustrating. Again, you have to go with so much size. Like that was 14 micros. And still to only be about halfway of our target is pretty rough, but it is what it is. I think 10 a.m. makes sense to come back. We're at the value area high now for the session. Just depends whether sellers do want to hold that. A lot of volume in that candle. So I'm gonna go for one more stab at this. These accounts go back to our 1 micro initial. One more stab. Stops above the previous day point of control. Equal highs resting right here too. Surprised. If we take this high here, then I'm just going to adjust my stops slightly above here. But if we want to take this low, then I think we can go pretty aggressive. See what we need to see. Volumes come in. Our original position to the downside was pretty good. but you just got to make sure that buyers aren't going to erase all that. Nice. See this load taken. So I got 10 minutes to bounce. Taking the low, just want to see a closure below now if we can. Alright. Pushing for the lows here. Just wait for a little bit more confirmation. Don't want to put all accounts with that much size straight away. Still haven't closed below here. It's like the volume that we're seeing here. That was our closure. Wouldn't want to go much higher than where we are now. Start pushing high, we might continue this crazy bullish run, man. A bit of drawdown here. Alright, nice. Oh, the wrong account. Let's not have 31 micros, please. One five. And man. What do you mean? Probably going to be a tiny little liquidity grab here too. Bro, man. How did we get